For almost all repairs on the Polaris Sport Pool Vacuum 9550, you start by removing the canister filter out of the unit. You then remove this shroud here over the fan blade connected to the motor. Flip the unit over, and then there's 4 screws around the perimeter, Phillips head. You pull that off, and then you can see where the wire connects to the motor. There's 2 Phillips screws connecting that plug. That's it. Once you remove those screws, the plug should come free easily. It's a simple 3-prong one. Once you have the motor off, you can use the new one and put it right back in and put the machine back together again. I do sell that motor here. The link in the description is how you can go buy it. If you're curious what the motor looks like inside, for fun, I've taken it apart. I took the screws around the perimeter, there's about 20, and that's what it looks like inside. But again, you can buy this motor as an integral unit in the link to the description to this video. It's an affiliate link. Anyways, best of luck, and thank you for watching.